Wildfires can strike suddenly and spread quickly, leaving little time to react. Knowing what to do can save your life and the lives of your loved ones. Here's how to stay safe in the event of a wildfire. First, stay informed. Listen to emergency broadcasts via radio, TV, or trusted apps for evacuation orders and updates. If authorities issue an evacuation order, leave immediately. Do not delay to gather belongings. Always have an emergency kit ready. Include important documents, water, food, medications, a flashlight, sturdy shoes, and clothing. And don't forget to alert your family, neighbors, and friends, especially those who may need extra help. If you're at home, prepare your house to reduce the risk of damage. Shut all windows, vents, and doors to prevent embers from entering. Turn off gas, propane, and air conditioning. Fill tubs and sinks with water to help fight embers if needed. Leave exterior lights on to help firefighters locate your home. Clear dry leaves, patio furniture, and other flammable materials from around your house. If you're caught outside, move to a low-lying, cleared area away from vegetation. Cover yourself with wet clothing or soil if possible. Stay low and cover your body to protect against radiant heat. If you're trapped in a vehicle, park in a clearing away from trees and brush. Close all vents, shut windows, and turn off air circulation. Lie on the floor of the vehicle, covering yourself with a blanket if available. Once the fire has passed, stay alert. Watch for embers, fallen power lines, or unstable structures. Wait for the all clear from authorities before returning home. Inspect your property for smoldering debris or hazards before resettling. Preparation and quick action are key to survival during wildfires. Always have an emergency plan in place.